I'm going to show you how you can make a hydrating lotion for less money.
Throughout the years, people have asked me, what do I do to stay hydrated because my skin always looks so soft and smooth?
Welcome to my channel. I'm Tyrese and I love sharing about self-care, singing, and sewing. In today's video, I will teach you how to make affordable hydrating lotion at home. This lotion fixes ashy, dry skin, and it keeps the skin soft and supple. It leaves your skin with a natural shine and it absorbs well so you don't feel sticky at all. Make sure you watch until the end to see how to apply this lotion. I have so many wonderful things to share with you throughout this entire video, so I hope you stay tuned until the end. My mom would always get on my case about having dry elbows and knees, and she was at one point was like, well, if you want to walk around looking like that, that's you. That is not me. Stay hydrated. So I make sure I always drink enough water. I always make sure to stay moisturized, and one way that I can stay moisturized is using this DIY lotion that works amazing for my dry skin. Do you ever feel like you have really dry skin
and nothing really seems to work? Are you tired of skin tightness, especially after showering, bathing, or swimming? And are you tired of skin that feels rough, it's itchy, there's severe flaking, scaling, or peeling? You see all the fine lines and cracks, and it's ashy and dry? It's even worse for us because we have to up our hand washing game since the CDC recommends hand washing so much due to COVID-19. But one step we forget to do after washing our hands is to apply moisturizer, some type of hand cream. And overwashing our skin can create lots of dry cracks, and it can actually leave space for bacteria to enter into the skin and into our bodies. Hand washing can be harsh on our skin because the natural barrier of oils and wax that our skin produces is broken down by the soap suds created while washing our hands. And that does not discriminate between unwanted oil, germs, and debris. So without applying cream, it can lead to dryness, redness, itchiness, flakiness, and discomfort in severe cases. But I'm going to show you how you can relieve your skin from this dryness. You must apply lotion every time you wash your hands and skin. For this DIY, you will use 1/4 cup of lotion of your choice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, and 5 drops of lavender oil extract. All of the ingredients are in the description box, so you can easily find them online. I like this kind of lavender oil because it's vegan and cruelty-free from Earth Fare, but I noticed that a lot of Earth Fairs are shut down. I've had this for about a year. So I included the link to another brand that has 100% natural lavender oil. I always make sure that my products are pure and earth-friendly. Lavender oil is really the star of the show. It reduces inflammation, it lessens redness and irritation, it helps keep eczema at bay, it can treat psoriasis, and it cleanses your skin because it's antiseptic, antibacterial, and acne fighting. In order to make this recipe, all you need to do is put all the ingredients into a sterile container and stir them with a stirring rod.
I created this wonderful hydrating lotion that is also good at retaining moisture. So I have like some in my hand, and it's loaded with lots of oils, and it feels really good. It's incredible. Like, maybe you can see you see the shine? Hopefully you can. But like, this stuff works.